Hi guys, today we will talk about how to deregister device on your Prime Video. We'll go to figure out this selection or know how you can do that on your Prime Video. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here and up, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go up, you click here on this sign settings, then it's going to take you here in settings window, then you just go down and you come here to register devices. You will click, and it's going to take you here in this window, and you click here under the register. You will just click here, and it's gonna, and you click here here in area. So, and like you see now, it's going to register video on your Prime Video. Thank you for I wish you I gave it. That's all. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.